Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today, I'm working on this 2014 Toyota Corolla. You might be doing your own brake job and only needing the torque specifications when you're doing everything or tightening everything up, and I'm going to show you that in this video. Now, the torque specifications for the 2003 to 2019 Toyota Corolla is all the same. We're on the front. That's what we're worrying about in this video. It's all the same on the 2003 to 2019. So I'm going to show you that very shortly. Before we go too far, please hit that like button, subscribe, share. Check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful videos and a full DIY step-by-step video coming out very soon on this vehicle as well. Now you might be wondering where I get my torque specifications from that I am showing you, not just pulling them out of the air and lying to you guys. Let me show you. This here is the motor guide book, brake specifications guide, and brake bleeding procedures, again from Motor. A very good handy book to have around. It has minimum thickness of the rotors, maximum diameter of drums, and torque specifications. Everything in here. Also your lifting points. It's a very, very helpful book. There'll be a link in the description below for this as well. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. First off, your caliper to bracket bolts. Right here. Get if I find them. These bolts, they're going to be tightened down second. These are going to be tightened down to 25 foot-pounds. So 25 foot-pounds for your caliper to bracket bolts. Next, you're going to have the caliper bracket to knuckle bolts. These bolts, so you have your upper right here, and your lower right here. These are tightened down to 79 foot-pounds. Again, 79 foot-pounds for your bracket to knuckle, and then you're looking at 25 foot-pounds for your caliper to bracket. Last but not least, and very important, is the lug nut torque specification. The lug nut torque specification on this vehicle is 79 foot-pounds and should be tightened up in a star pattern. You want the wheel to sit flush, flat against the rotor and the hub so you don't get any wobbling of the rotor. So proper torque specification in a star pattern on your lug nuts is pretty important as well. If this video did help you out, please comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it did help you on. Look for helpful links in the description for such as the motor guide book and just some other cool stuff. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.